Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tanya and today's video is something different. Yes, this is a review video and today I'm gonna be reviewing Tygot adjustable aluminium alloy tripod stand holder for mobile and camera. This is my first review video guys, so I am very excited. Let's get started. So guys, this is the packaging in which I have got the tripod stand. As you can see here, it's written tripod 3110 three-way head, built-in level, 4-section aluminium legs, quick lever lock. Okay, so these are some of the basic features. Here also you can see these are given. Some more specifications are also given here. 1020 millimeter, 350 millimeter, 345 millimeter, 16.8 millimeter and 420 gram is the approximate weight which you can use on the tripod stand. So these are the different heights at which you can adjust. Okay, now see, this is the packaging in which I've got this tripod. I've bought it from Amazon at $4.99 and the packaging is not so good, but okay, it is alright. So this is the packet and it comes with this mobile holder, as you can see, and this is the bag, tripod bag. So let us see. I'll just keep it aside for now. So this is the tripod stand, as you can see, and it is of aluminium. This is hollow as well, as you can see from here. So this is not very much durable, but for beginners this is quite a good tripod stand. Okay, so I'll show you. See, this is the stand. Now it is locked. These are 3 different levers. These are lever locks. You can open it and adjust the height of the stand. You can lock it like this. You can further open it. You can further open it, and this is the full height. So these are completely extended legs. Now here we can again extend this height further from a screw given here. So I'll show you how you can do it. You just need to release it and you can increase the height further, and then you can again lock it. So this will not fall down anymore. So the stand is quite sturdy. Okay, but if you put heavy weight, then it will start shaking. See. Okay, now I'll tell you some more functions. You can rotate it 360-degree angle. This is rotatable. Okay, and you can also see this is clockwise motion. If you rotate it clockwise, it will get tightened. If you rotate it anti-clockwise, it will get released, and then if it gets released, you can move it sideways as well. So you can have this motion as well. Okay, I'm locking it. There is another screw which is given here, this one. What is the use of this screw? See, if you unlock it, it's going to change its angle. Okay, You can again lock it. There is another screw which is given here. This screw is used for mounting the camera or the phone. So I'll also show you how to mount the phone. Camera, you can easily mount it. Just here you have to put your camera. In your cameras you can see that there is a spot which you can fit it here, and then you just have to screw it up so it will get tightened, and then you can use it very easily. I'll show you how to use the mobile holder here. So the mobile holder, this is the mobile holder. As you can see, there's a gap here, so you're gonna place it here. Then you're gonna screw it up. You'll need little patience for this. Yes, it's done. Okay, now you can keep your phone over here. So I'll show it how you can do it. See, you can fit your phone over here, and also there is a bubble indicator which is given so that you can find out that it is straight or not. See, it's in the middle. That means now I have adjusted it proper angle. Okay, now this is completely at 90 degree with the ground. So if you tilt it, you can see that the bubble here that shifts its position, it moves from center. Now if you tilt it again, you can see that now it has moved to the center. Again, if you move it, it will change its position. So this is a bubble indicator which will make sure that your camera is aligned properly at a proper direction, or your mobile is properly oriented. Okay, now I will show you how you can fit in the phone here. So let me show it to you how you can do it. As you can see that this portion, this you will have to expand, and then you will have to fit. So here you will do it like this. So I have fitted it. Now you will just adjust it properly so that the bubble level is correct. Okay, now I'll show you how it is done. See, so now this is at proper angle. Okay, so here one thing you will have to keep in mind, that the phone's camera should be in opposite direction to that of the bubble indicator. Otherwise, there would be difficulty in shooting. So guys, I hope you liked my first review video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll again meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.